Ciao a tutti, hi everyone, and welcome to Distilleria Mezzanotte. I'm Alex, the master distiller.
I'm the other side of the moon, Giacomo, the designer. We are very happy to join the Craft Gin Club family as one of the first Italian distilleries.
We hope you'll enjoy our take on London dry gin.
As a designer, my challenge was to take the original label from Mezzanotte and to turn it in something very special with this limited edition made just for Craft Gin Club. For this special limited edition, we changed the gradient from our classic blue to a gorgeous purple and pink fantasy. We also like to add a small rose in the middle to represent love.
I'd like to introduce you to Pesaro, our 230 liters copper still made in Germany by the Müller family. We combine classic pot still distillation to vapor infusion to extract the most delicate essential oil from orange peel and lime leaves. These are the botanicals we used in Mezzanotte. We have juniper berries, cocoa beans, lime leaves, sweet orange peel, cinnamon, and coriander fruits. We are based in Pesaro, a lovely city on the seaside.
You should definitely come visit the distillery and also enjoy the city, because this year Pesaro is being nominated as Italian Capital of Culture. You can enjoy opera, because Pesaro gave birth to Gioacchino Rossini, and also enjoy the beaches.
I hope you enjoyed this short trip in our distillery and can't wait for you to try our Mezzanotte.
We will wait you here in Italy, so come visit this summer.
See you soon.
Ciao!